Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to connect this SD card in your Motorola smartphone. So let's do this. So firstly you have to eject your this SIM tray first, and let's know about this. So firstly I am just remove it through this SIM tray tool. Let's remove this, and in this tray you will get a sim 1 and sim 2 slot only, so there will be no SD card, so you are unable to do that. So there is an alternate solution for that. You can do instead of that. I have these two things. You can see this is the card reader. As you can see, this is the USB to type C card reader. So friends, here I have this type C to USB receiver. You can see. So there is also one more thing you can do is, this is the one you can type C. This is the card reader, also type C card reader. So you can just put in this. I have this OTG, you can see. So I am using this. Instead of that you can just use this. So let's do. First of all, so friends, if you are using this device, there will be no use of these two. You can just buy this one, and this one is more useful than this. So let's talk about this, how you can use this. So firstly, here it is the SD card slot. SD card, let's put in this car receiver. This is the card reader USB, and here it is the receiver. Let's put it in this slot like this, and this is now connected. You can see. Let's put in this type C port in this Motorola, and you will get a notification about that. Here it is showing the USB drive for storing photos and videos, and when you just open your file manager, in the video section you will get to know there are lots of files in this SD card, and there are all showing in your storage. And when you just remove it, it will be showing nothing. You can see there it is, nothing showing here. And when you just put it here, it will be showing all the files and folders, everything you have. You can see, you have to just wait for it, and it is now showing. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.